okay? Grab your waters. We're going to have a seat, take a little rest here. We just went through a lot, so we're going to take about a minute here to let the body recover, right? There's all kind of chemical reactions going in the body. Lactic acid, that's a byproduct of exercise. So someone in one of the classes earlier in the week was asking me about, the heel to toe exercise and how the police use that as a sobriety test. And so I told him, yes, that's right. And I don't know why, because so many people can't do that sober. And so I was reminded of a TV show. You guys may or may not have heard of it. It's called Reno 911. It's a slapstick miniseries. All right, lots of people don't like it, but I find it hilarious. Some of the comedy gets a little dark sometimes, but on one of the parts, it's a show about a police department in Reno, Nevada. And the characters are your stereotypes, right? You have the black guy, you have the white guys, you have the blonde girl, and they all fit their stereotypes, every one of them, right? And it's hilarious. So the blonde girl wears her shirt, she's busty, and she's got her little gig she's got going on. Well, she pulls this old Chevy truck up, and wouldn't you know, a cowboy gets out. He's got his hat, his Wranglers, his boots, his belt buckle, and howdy, ma'am. And she says to him, do you know why I pulled you over, as she's strolling up? And he goes, wow, no, ma'am. Have you been drinking, sir? Nope. And she goes, can you come back here for me, please? We're going to do a little check. Yeah, I figured. So he walks back here, he stumbles to the back of the truck, and as soon as he gets ready to do the test, whoop, he's in a line and he's walking it out. Boom, boom, boom. He marches it out perfect. And then he says to her, the cop, he says to her, hey, what'd be great is I could do this, and then I could do this. And then she gets in on it, and she goes, yeah, and then, okay, you do that, and then we'll turn and this and that. And she goes, yeah, that's pretty good. And he goes, I know, just imagine, it'd be a whole lot better if I hadn't been drinking.